Today's video is about the practice question of inequalities. Okay, yesterday I have said little bit concept about inequalities, and today in this video I will discuss few questions. Okay, probable questions, like you can say model of questions. Okay, so whoever missed yesterday's video, try to watch. If you are okay with the concept, then directly solve the questions. Okay, simple questions but scoring topics. Okay, don't neglect this topic. Okay, now the first model is, okay, generally I have taken, since AFO level, like scale 1 level, I have not taken direct questions. Okay, as I said in previous video, if direct question is there, try to practice in such a way that you can directly, without using pen and paper, you should solve one. If it is like in this comma, like questions there, try to based on the given conclusion. See, this is statement and these are conclusions. Okay, based on the conclusion, if all are at 1, then try to convert this statement to a single line equation, you can say. Now for example, this p greater than or equal to q less than t, r less than q greater than or equal to s, v greater than or equal to t. So if you take these questions, based on the conclusions, we'll try to combine these three. Okay, whatever is required we will do. Okay, if you are more, when you practice more questions, then automatically your mind will, without keeping pen and paper also, you will attempt anamata. So now for example, if you take first statement, r less than or equal to p, so r p, here q is common, so for this conclusion we'll try to combine these two statements, p greater than q. Now okay, q is which we can take now r and p, so we will take r less than q, means q greater than r. I hope you are getting. Okay, so based on, you should initially you need to be cautious about this science. As practice goes on, you will you'll not feel that much difficult. Okay, just be cautious when you're practicing in your early stages, like this greater than symbol, r less than q means q greater than r. Okay, this conversion is important. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, now p to r. Okay, see, now p to r possible, but for greater than or equal to the both symbols, definitely in between letters both symbols should be same, so this is wrong statement. Okay, I hope you are getting. Now s and v, so for s, again sv, t is common, right? Sq qt. Okay, now we will write q less than t. Okay, q greater than or equal to s means here, like s is less than or equal to q, q less than t. Now v greater than or equal to t means t less than or equal to v. Okay, see, this is the statement we will get for this conclusion. So now v to s directly we can go. So this is the correct option, because only less than symbol is there, equal to symbol is not there. So where you should see only whether it is possible, like, okay, so it is possible. So this is the right statement. First conclusion is wrong, second conclusion is right. Now for s and p, okay, for s and p, again we will combine these two statements, that is p greater than or equal to q. Now q greater than or equal to s. Okay, now s to p, I mean p to s. Okay, p to s possible, and both, for both symbols greater than or equal to symbol is there, so this is also true. Now for v greater than r, we will combine this statement with r again q, because ante v t r. Okay, so we will combine this. Okay, v greater than or equal to t, q less than t and t greater than q, r less than q means q greater than r. Okay, I hope you are getting. Okay, v t q r. Okay, now v to r, okay, possible, same symbols, right? Not opposite, r. So this is also right. Only one conclusion, a is the wrong, remaining three right. Okay, you can find this, based on the options you need to combine. Okay, if it is like everything is same, like if you can connect it, because see here, if we connect to q, again we will left with t, so we can't make in single equation. So based on the conclusions they asked, we can combine any two. Okay, in that way, if you are confident, then you no need to keep pen and paper only. Directly you can say p2r, okay, p2q, q2r, okay, with I moment only. You should get the answer. Okay, try to practice in such way. But since in early stages accuracy is important, not speed, when after a good command of concept, like after practicing a good number of questions, then not only this concept, any concept you take, whether quant or reasoning, first try to improve the accuracy, then speed. Okay, don't worry about the speed. Okay, because accuracy matters a lot. With increase in high cutoffs, I mean competition, accuracy is important than speed. If you are attempting more questions but losing marks, means if your accuracy is less, then speed also doesn't matter, right? So first, when you are practicing, in your practicing stage, try to improve your accuracy, then try to improve the speed. Okay, now second question. Okay, now S to L. Okay, this statement, this we will combine using K. Whichever is the common element, then you need to, okay, K. Now okay, J ఇక్కడ అవసరం లేదు కదా. Okay, now K less than S means K less than S. So here S greater than K, K greater than or equal to L. Okay, now from S to L possible. Okay, no equal to symbol is there, so that's why it is correct. M to T means again these two will use with using J, we will use అనమాట. J greater than T అంటే T less than J equal to K greater than or equal to L less than or equal to M. Now M to T, see opposite directions. Okay, only see the symbols, so it is wrong. Okay, so A is correct, B is wrong. Okay, so these are the models. Okay, this equal to also you should be careful. Now we will see third question, F equal to K. Now here we will combine these two, F greater than or equal to L equal to K. Now F to K, wrong, because greater than or equal to symbol should be there, but only equal to symbol is there, so this is wrong. Now F to K, wrong, because here only greater than symbol is there, equal to symbol is not there, so this is also wrong. Now whether it is either or neither means it is either. Both the elements are, means both the letters are same and one equal to symbol is there, so it is a either case. Okay, if the elements are different, and if even if both elements, as I said in yesterday, okay, if elements are different, then neither case. Okay, both are false or neither one not two, like conclusions. But similar elements, one equal to symbol if you find, then it is either case. Okay, now this is basic questions. Okay, you can find single statement, how many questions they may use in statements. Okay, just based on the conclusions, try to combine, make it in a single statement. Okay, don't make it complicate. Okay, which whatever they ask, try to do and check whether if it is both are false, try to check whether it is a either case or not. Okay, don't directly keep neither case or both are false. Okay, definitely if three questions they will give, definitely one will be either or neither. Okay, now next another model is they will give some letters. Okay, some ante in between symbols they will not give, some question they will give, and they will say this statement is like, what symbols we should get in these blank spaces, so that these conclusion will be definitely true. Means no either case, no neither case, no false, definitely it should be true. So this is time taking. Okay, it will take time definitely, because you need to keep every symbol in these blank spaces. Okay, this is important model where we can expect. Okay, in exam. Okay, in question you have to read properly what they are asking, whether they are asking definitely true or definitely false. Okay, try to read, because we don't know what they will give, but maximum they will give definitely true only. Sometimes they will give false, but when you know the basic, okay, try to directly, eye movement also we can do, but just keep every symbol. Now B, okay, equal, L equal, just place the first symbol first space. Okay, in this way you have to substitute. L equal to, next, greater than or equal to O, greater than or equal to, I missed something, 1 2, acha, N, B equals to L, acha, sorry, L equal to O, greater than or equal to D. Now B to N, possibility no, because here equal to and greater than or equal to symbol is there, so this is false. Okay, now we can directly also keep, when we are good at eye movement, okay, directly watching on screen, we see, we can keep, now see directly, but I will write. Okay, but when you are practicing, try to practice without pen and paper. Okay, now second option, B greater than L, greater than or equal to O, equal to N, greater than D. Generally when practicing we will not feel any pressure, but exam time, to solve in less time we will be hurry. Okay, don't make these mistakes when you are copying same from the screen. Okay, now B to N, okay, right, possibility is there, because here greater symbol is there. First satisfaction, first is okay. Now L should go with D with less than or equal to symbol. L to D, okay, possible, but here no equal to symbol is there, so this is also false. Now third, okay, B greater than L, less than equal to O, B greater than L, less than O, equal to N, less than or equal to D. Now B to N, no, wrong. Third also wrong. Okay, because opposite symbols. Okay, sometimes initial only we will find, if they give actually 5 options will be there, here I have only given 4 options. Generally most of the times the option will be 3 or 4. Okay, directly, this is little bit risk, when you find such questions in the exam, directly solve. Okay, if possible, not from the start, directly substitute third or fourth. Okay, maximum 90% options will be at third or fourth. Okay, now next we will see fifth last. Obviously first 3 wrong means fourth one is right, but I will substitute. Okay, B greater than L, equal to O, equals to N, greater than or equal to D. B to N, possibility is there, and L to T, greater than symbol equal to. So this is definitely 2. So fourth is the right answer for. Okay, so this will be time taking, but with practice you can do. As I said, when you find such type of question in the exam, try to first substitute third or fourth option. Okay, don't go from the start. Okay, but if you feel, we never know, if first option is the answer, then it will take again time. But okay, generally I will do exam in the same way. I will not go from first, I will directly go third option, again fourth option. If answer is not there, again I will go 1 2. Okay, because I feel like first option, fifth option they will not give generally. Okay, now another model is they will give the symbols and they will not give the letters. Okay, and they will give one conclusion, and this should be false. Okay, so in order to to make this conclusion, A less than P false. Okay, what letters should be there in this 4 blank spaces? So same like earlier questions, you need to substitute anamata. Okay, now L less than or equal to N, less than P, greater than A. So P to A, it should not be possible. Okay, now P to A, here only we are getting. Okay, so actually this is right, but here they have asked false, so this is option wrong. Next, L greater than or equal to A, less than P, greater than or equal to N. So here see, greater than means definitely here you should not get P and A, right? So obviously this is also wrong. because P2A possible, P2A possible. Now third question, third option, P less than or equal to N less than A greater than L. Now P2A, see here P2A. So here only starting only you can't go. So this is the right answer. Actually this is not possible, but in question they are asking false statement. So option 3 is correct. I hope you are getting, okay. So try to read the question properly what they are asking. If you find like P2S symbol is only one symbol, okay, definitely you shouldn't get the same letters side by side, okay. This is again if you can eliminate, and with practice of question you will get idea, okay. Now see, definitely they shouldn't be at same position if only one symbol is there, okay. అలా కూడా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఎగ్జామ్లో డైరెక్ట్లీ సి ఇఫ్ ఐ సీ సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ టు పి సో ఐ విల్ ఫస్ట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ థర్డ్ ఆర్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ అనుకుంటే ఇఫ్ ఐ సీ డిఫరెంట్ యూనో అలా కూడా స్పీడ్ అనమాట అంతే, బట్ అక్యురసీ ఉంటుంది 100%, ఓకే. Next model, they will give the complete statement, okay, no commas ala kaadu, they will give answer and they will say this statement is true, okay. Now we need to find false statement or false conclusion, okay. Now they previously in previous models they will give conclusions and they will ask right or wrong, but here they will ask false, okay. We need to find out of 5 options which conclusion is false. Now C to A, here we no need to copy again because it is a direct single statement, okay. Now C to A possible, C to E possible, D to B, okay. D to B not possible because equal to and less than or equal to from D side, okay, but here saying only no equal to symbol is there, so this is wrong, and in question they have asked false conclusion, so C will be the answer, okay. Now 7th question, again same, but here they will ask true statement, okay. See, models and concept are same, but based on the question you need to answer the question, okay. Now here also no need to again copy the statement, directly you can do, okay. Now we need to find true statement. P to T, okay, P to T not possible because opposite, okay. Q to T no possible. P to S here possible, greater equal to greater than or equal to, so again third option is same, okay. So this is up to preliminary level. However ela ichina koda in whatever they give single statement, commas ichi 2-3 conclusions, if they give either blank to try to fit the symbols or symbols ichi if they give any, okay, you need to find anamata. Definitely you will get to see AFO level at minimum 3 questions you will find inequality. If paper is easy to moderate, definitely they will give 5 questions, but you will definitely see 3 questions, okay. Now, okay, so after this class, not class, after this video, you know, when you practice, don't miss 1 mark. Even the paper is moderate to difficult also, you shouldn't miss mark from 1 mark also from inequality, okay. No, this is one main level which I have said yesterday, okay. Just I have taken only one question which is of main level, which will be generally we will not find in AFO level, but you know, competition if they give in preliminary, if they give such coding types, okay, it directly with sometimes they will directly give anamata codes ichi here instructions will be there the above question anamata. So I have taken only one questions, okay. If atla anamata. Now these symbols are important, we will write these symbols here. For example ikkada malli confirm 5 symbols are there, okay. Hashtag, dollar, percent, copyright, at the rate, okay. These are the 5 symbols. Now what is mana idi sorry equal to here, the hashtag, okay. This is not equal to, okay, not equal to symbol, okay. So now here A is not what this ante A or B, whatever the 2 they may take, but here the symbol is important. Not equal to symbol, what it is denoting or indicating ante A is not greater than B, means it is less than or equal to, because not greater means what are the remaining, less than or equal to, okay. So here I am writing the same, less than or equal to. Again dollar represents neither small nor equal, neither small nor equal means it should be less than, I mean neither small kada, so greater than. Neither small nor equal to means greater than symbol. Now percent. A is neither small nor great. Neither small nor great means equal. Both are equal. Okay. Percent denotes. Next, copyright is neither great nor equal. Neither great nor equal ante less than means small ane. Okay. Small anna, less anna, greater anna, more anna, same. Okay. Next, remaining at the rate means A is not smaller than me, greater than or equal to. Okay, once after you know when you write, okay, definitely this you have to write in your paper. Okay, don't memorize in brain, because sometimes you know you will be in a hurry to solve, but definitely if you not write, even though your memory is strong, you know you will tend to make mistakes, because first you need to convert in statement, again in conclusions also you have to write. So always try to, you know, even though you are confident, my personal suggestion is at least try to write the quotes. Okay, then we will make now in single equations, because A B we can join, C here also we can join. A not equal to symbol, here I have written hashtag. Okay, A not equal to B means not symbol ante less than or equal to B. Next, B percent ante B equal to C. C copyright D means less than D. So this is the statement. Conclusion, A is C at the rate A. C at the rate means greater than or equal to A. B statement is A not equal to symbol is less than or equal to D. Okay, now we need to find. Okay, see on the simpler level I have given the questions. Okay, whatever the questions you will find, you need to follow the same logic. Okay, first try to decode the symbols and try to write in one single statement, then whatever the conclusions they will give, we will get. Okay, now C to A. C to A possible, right. D to A. D to A not possible, because here only less than symbol is there. I mean C less than D kada. So only conclusion, A is true, B is false. Okay, so this is the concept. So whichever I have known, I'm sharing with you all. So whatever they have given, like this models only maximum you will see, but the level of questions ante they will give letters kani, numbers, whatever they give, ABCD, PQRS, whatever they give. Okay, you shouldn't miss, because very simple topic, easy topic. That's why I have started, because I want to, you know, especially those who are attempting for the first time, I don't want them to think that much marks how we can score any. So that's why I'm starting with the simple topics. Okay, only to build confidence. Okay, slowly we will go. First inequalities, in the next class, I mean next reasoning video, I will do syllogisms. Okay, because I want to first cover the miscellaneous. Puzzles, because it will take time. Okay, puzzles more of a tricks, it is an individual more, because individual should do more effort than he, I mean ante only practice can make the puzzles ఆన్ అ హై లెవెల్ అనమాట. ఈవెన్ దో ఎనీ ట్రిక్ ఇచ్చినా ఏవి చెప్పినా కూడా పజిల్స్ అనేది ఇండివిజువల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది అనేది మై పర్సనల్ ఒపీనియన్. సో ఫస్ట్ వీ విల్ కంప్లీట్ మిస్సెలేనియస్, సో దట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 50 మార్క్స్ at least we will get 25 to 30. Our target is 30 generally. 25 is the good score in reasoning. 25 to 30. In order to score 25 to 30, we need to solve at least 2 puzzles, and out of this miscellaneous, 15 marks we should score from the miscellaneous. So first I will cover that 15 marks, that 15 to 20 whatever it is there. So with this I will complete inequality. In the next video, I mean next reasoning video, because I'm planning to cover in 1 week. Okay, one reasoning, one quantitative aptitude, and one mains class. Okay, subject wise that also, and fourth is the current affairs. Okay, so now with this, in this week I will complete the reasoning. Next week I will do syllogisms. Okay, who are wondering like next what reasoning class anedi, I will do syllogisms. Okay, so whoever watched till now, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.